Alright guys, this right here is a let me forget that. This is a juggernaut. And I'm gonna show you guys how to fight. If I do it bad, I'm not my fault. Y'all don't make me. I kinda wish he had it. All in all, I'm alive today. I'm just alive. If I was him, I wouldn't go over there. Consider it. Sorry guys, I'm boring you with this long, retarded looking chase, but I have to get this. Oh wow, and I already had it. That's so cool. Now to fight. Where is it? Yeah, shot me away. I had low life, are you serious? And then he comes back. And basically, I just want you guys to subscribe, see how good I am, see how bad I am. Do what you have to do. But hey, I stepped back on it. This is kind of like a... Right now I'm just playing around with it. Now they're shooting at me. One thing you never want to do is miss a rifle shot. Because if you miss the rifle shot, like those idiots did, you will know that if you miss it and someone finds out where it comes from, you don't have to worry about them. You're the one who's going to shocked and screwed is what I see. This will be easy going to get now. Some may think it's a challenge. I don't. I think of it as a fight. Just watching the camera just in case they do come up. I know blue guy over there always has to go get a shield because he can't do anything else with his own. have a freaking ship in here the first time we were. That's retarded. Look at that. The losers left. It's kind of sad, but at the same time, it's very funny. Because if you had any doubt in your mind, like any thought, you'd know they were going to leave. I want these guys dead so bad. Not the best with rifles. Give me some time. I'll be fine. As you can see, this is taking too long. I'm really getting frustrated. And I killed him. Bust out and just kill him. It's kind of pathetic if you think about it really hard. How did you die that fast? I was just about to go over there and beat the crap out of you and die. It really just takes a minute. But if you guys know anyone that's good, it's X Dragon, Infinite X Dragon. Just type that in, Infinite X Dragon, and you'll see his good videos. I'm not gonna lie, he's better than rifles with me though. But I think if I were to face him normally, he couldn't do crap against me. Maybe. I'm just spitballing. Oh my god, and that kick used. Oh, I killed him. I was about to say, wow, he just fell out by himself. Freaking retard. Good thing he's not in my corner. So, I think I'm about to end this video. I'm about to kill this man. God dang, he keeps coming out of nowhere. Yeah, if you like this video, comment, subscribe, whatever y'all do. I really don't know. But comment and subscribe. If you like this video, I will make more. If y'all don't like this video, then I guess I suck. And I didn't think I was as good as I was. Yeah, like everybody I know. Blazer 101, Blazer 102, Helm, Hellhound, Holo Wolf, Admin, Agent Moose, Badger. I know them all, basically. I know them all. And just tell me, if you do like this video, thank you. Because, I don't work hard on it. You guys know. I mean, I did do some work on this, but still. That's really bad. I bet you couldn't get teleported probably to the plane. But yeah, I'm about to end this thing in 3 kills. I think I should make another one. Should I make another one after this? Why not? The more in one day, the more the better. You know what I say? The more the better. This guy can't beat me. We can all see it. That he's having second thoughts about getting off with me. Which are okay because it is going against me. And really, I am a serious competitor. Look at that. I already killed him. I didn't even know what I did. I just kept shooting the ground. But let me just destroy this frame. It is me cocky. I guess, like I said, cocky. This faggot over here trying to shoot me. I really don't see why you want to shoot me. You're not gonna win. And that's the game. Thank y'all for watching. If you like, comment, subscribe, leave me a little message. Tell me you want to see this again. Oh yeah, and Christmas break, I got something for y'all. If y'all know the song Black and Yellow, that's the only hint I'm gonna get.